In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Substack account. By the end, you'll be fully set up and ready to read, follow your favorite writers, or even start publishing your own newsletter. First, open Substack. You can do this by typing the website address into your browser or launching the Substack app if you have it installed. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection so the pages load smoothly. Once you're on the home page, click Sign Up. You'll usually find this at the top right. That takes you to a simple form where you'll enter your email address. Use an email you can access right now, since you'll need it for verification. Avoid temporary or shared emails, because you'll want this account to be secure and easy to recover if needed. After you type in your email, click Continue. Substack will immediately send you a message to confirm you own that address. Head over to your email inbox and check for the verification email. If you don't see it within a minute, refresh your inbox, look in your spam or promotions folder, and make sure you entered the address correctly. Some links expire after a short time, so open it as soon as you receive it. Click the verification link in that message. It should open Substack in a new tab or bring you back to the app, confirming your email. If the link doesn't open, try copying and pasting it into your browser's address bar. Next, create your profile name. This is how you'll appear to readers and writers across Substack. You can use your real name or a brand name. Pick something recognizable and consistent with how you want to be known. Now, set your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is best. Store it in a trusted password manager so you can sign in easily later. With your account verified and secured, complete your profile. Add a clear profile photo, write a short bio that explains who you are or what you plan to read and share, and adjust your basic preferences. You can always revisit these details in settings if you change your mind. Finally, start using your account. Explore your home feed, follow writers and publications that interest you, and customize your recommendations. If you're planning to publish, look for the option to create a publication and walk through the on-screen prompts. You're now set up and ready to go.